Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's lecture is about methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol, it is also called wood alcohol, wood spirit, and many other names, commonly known as methanol. It is a colorless liquid with a faint spirit odor and a burning, nauseous taste. It is used in industry for denaturing rectified spirit so as to render it non-drinkable. Rectified spirit mixed with 5% methyl alcohol is known as methylated spirit and is used in arts and manufacture under the name of denatured spirit of denatured alcohol. It is found as an antifreeze in gas lines and is also used as a solvent in paint removers, varnish, etc. Its mode of action, methyl alcohol is more toxic than ethyl alcohol. Since it is slowly excreted from the body, it acts as a cumulative poison. During metabolism, it is converted into formaldehyde and formic acid. These metabolites are responsible for its toxic action. The symptoms correlate with the degree of acidosis. Its sign symptoms are as under. The symptoms may appear within an hour after ingestion but are commonly delayed. Poisoning is manifested by headache, dizziness, nausea, vomiting, and pain in the abdomen. There is marked muscular weakness and depressed cardiac action. Spirit like odor is usually present in the breath. Dyspnea and cyanosis are common. Acidosis results from accumulation of acid metabolites. The poisonous effects are more marked in the eyes, causing either temporary blindness or, in severe cases, atrophy of the optic nerves, resulting in permanent blindness. Other toxic effects relate to liver and kidney. Convulsions are common as a terminal event in fatal cases, and death occurs from respiratory failure. Finding of intestinal contraction is diagnostic of methanol poisoning. Contraction affects either the small bowel or the large bowel or both, being described as resembling a thick pipe of very narrow lumen. Fatal dose is 60 to 240 milliliter and its fatal period is within 24 to 36 hours or may be delayed to 3 to 4 days. Its treatment consists of preventing absorption by gastric lavage. Number 2, use of bicarbonate to combat acidosis. Number 3, administration of ethanol as a competitive antagonist. 4, whole bowel irrigation is excellent if facilities permit. Indication for hemodialysis include any ocular finding, metabolic acidosis, renal failure, and blood methanol level over 50 mg per 100 ml of blood. Antidote for methyl pyrazole is a specific alcohol dehydrogenase inhibitor. Folinic acid speeds up metabolism of formic acid and may be used. The rest of the treatment is symptomatic Eyes should be kept covered to protect from storm light. Postmortem appearance. Cyanosis is marked. Blood is generally fluid and dark. Cerebral and pulmonary edema are seen. The gastrointestinal mucosa is inflamed. The liver show necrobiosis and kidneys show tubular degeneration. Viscera and postmortem blood should be preserved as outlined under ethyl alcohol poisoning. Medical legal aspects. Accidental poisoning may occur. Poisoning is generally due to consumption of liquor containing methyl alcohol by drinkers of cheap illicit liquor. Methanol having got into the liquor by accident or design, the latter for economic gain by the most unscrupulous bootleggers. Thank you.